Welcome to ratl.ai, where API testing takes just a few prompts. All right, here's what we're about to see in the next 2 minutes. You've got an API spec, you just drop it into ratl.ai. No worrying about chaining, correlations, or dependencies. The agents handle all that. If something fails during execution, just talk to the agent like, use a dummy email and continue. You'll see how easy it is to get performance insights, skip or tweak APIs with a few prompts, freeze and rerun, and even analyze the impact if your API spec changes all through conversation. All right, let's get started. I'm just sharing the path to my API spec here. Nothing fancy, just a local file. Once I drop it in, Ratl picks it up instantly. Now I'll just wait for the agent to respond. Looks like the agent's done auditing the spec and generated a quick reliability score. No major observations. Nice, it's generated the first flow. And you can actually see the entire API flow diagram right here. It's picked up all the dependencies automatically. Okay, looks like the first API has failed. From the details, it's trying to use example data from the spec, and that email's already registered. Let me just tell the agent, use any dummy email ID and restart the execution. Perfect. All right, let's get a detailed report. I'll just say yes. Nice. Got the report instantly. Now let's try asking a few questions about this execution, like what's the average response time? Perfect. Now let's rerun the test. But this time, we'll skip the checkout API. Let's see if the agents can handle that. Perfect. It's done. Here's the detailed report again, this time with the checkout API out of scope. All right, let's do some impact analysis. Based on the current test setup, let's see what happens if the pin code data type is changed to a string. Whoa, that's detailed. It even shows all impacted APIs and dependency. Finally, let's get some details on how to integrate this with our deployment pipeline. And that's it. From dropping an API spec to testing, debugging, performance analysis, and even impact checks, all through simple prompts. No Postman, no RestAssured, no frameworks. Just talk to your agent, and it does the rest. Even pipeline integration. That's ratl.ai. Testing by prompts, not scripts.